Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a vlog. I've been trying to film so many times, but every time that I do, I just end up not liking it, so then I'm like deleting it. But hopefully this one will be good. So today I'm just basically going to be cleaning. I think I'm just gonna do a lot of cleaning. So this is gonna be a day in the life and also tons of cleaning. Last night, me and Justin did a graveyard little, it's a chocolate cookie kit and a little haunted house. Pumpkins are so cute. My ghost looks funny because of the eyeballs, but super cute. Yeah. So I'm thinking I'm about to make some coffee. I have my coffee and I have my water. Later on, when I do get hungry, I'm gonna just make 2 of these biscuit roll-ups. These are super good. If you haven't tried them, you should, honestly. Justin bought me so many things from Target when we went the other day. He got me some of these Alani protein drinks, or they're called Fit Snacks. He got me tons of energy drinks. So we have the new one that they have for Halloween, Witch's Brew. I have 3 of those. Hawaiian Shaped Eyes, love that one. Cosmic Stardust, also love that one. I got Cherry Slush, haven't tried that one. The Trippy Hippie Pina Colada, I love this one. I had another one, but I drank it. The Electric Tie-Dye Cherry Limeade, this one is my favorite. And Arctic White, this one's also good. I've had mainly all of these except for the Cherry Slush and the Witch's Brew. It's supposed to be like a caramel apple, which I'm kind of scared of, but I like caramel apple. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and watch some TV before I start cleaning. Ranger's looking at me. But if y'all haven't watched Only Murders in the Building with Selena Gomez in it, it's super good. A little cleaning supplies cabinet. I do have a problem, especially with like the seasonal scents from Grove. But I'm in my little container because I need a new sponge. So I'm going with orange because it's Halloween. So the tip that I like to do with my sponges is I like to cut them in half. I feel like just one whole sponge is too big, so I always cut them in half, and plus you don't go through them as fast. So just like that, I always cut them in half because this is still pretty big. I mean, look at my hand. These are the Scrub Daddy Sponge Daddies. They just come like this. They're like $3-4 for 3 sponges. And I really love the Scrub Daddy ones. They hold up way better than my Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose sponges. These, after a while, start getting nasty, versus these hold their shape really great. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom, I did already do the toilet off camera because it kind of grosses me out, but I need to do the counter, and then I'm also going to decorate it for Halloween. So I have this pumpkin cupcake from Bath and Body Works. We're all done with the champagne toast one, so I'm going to crash that. I did finish cleaning the house. See, she's enjoying herself. But I lit a candle, I sprayed. Everything is clean. Even cleaned the bathroom. Mopped and sprayed in here. I was gonna do my makeup sponges and my brushes, but I'm just gonna do that on Friday or tomorrow night or something because I just wanna relax. But I will come back whenever I'm going to make a dinner. Hopefully Justin will be coming home soon. So I'm just gonna sit here, finish drinking my water, and watch Good Witch.
When that red light camera goes on, boom, I'll knock their socks off. You ready for my close-up? Always.
So yesterday, me and my friend went to like an event that they have for people in the neighborhood, and they gave out food. So they gave everyone a loaf of garlic bread, this whole thing of bundt cakes, kettle corn, 3 apples, but I ate one, us a lasagna from Costco. So that's what we're having today for dinner. Oh my god, I'm so rough. Okay, so if they have anything like this where you live on base, or I don't know if they do this off base like in housing communities, but definitely go. I mean, it's free and you never know. They give out really good stuff.